rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. That was cheating. Say hi, Auntie Nisha fam. Hi guys.
Hey guys,
It's the Auntie and
Nisha.
Auntie and
Nisha.
And today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing the giant versus tiny fidget challenge. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also click the notifications bell so you don't miss out whenever we upload. So you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. So first, I'm gonna mix it up. Maddie's gonna close her eyes, and then she's gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna close my eyes. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Eyes closed.
Wait.
No peeking. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
CASHAPP.
So you're gonna choose which one. And this one doesn't automatically mean that it's tiny. We just didn't have the same bowl to match it.
So, I want this.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I got tiny.
I got big.
Okay, this is your giant.
Whoa.
This is my tiny.
I got the big one.
I want that one. Look, compare it. So small.
Yeah, I got the big one.
Star Wars. You're gonna knock me out. Okay. Moving on. Close your eyes. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Oh, I'm gonna stop doing that.
Okay.
Which one are you gonna choose?
Stick.
Ready, set, go.
Go.
Are you kidding me?
I
I got tiny
got
again.
big. In the last video, I always got big too.
Okay, this is your big.
Yay.
This is my tiny.
This can't really spin. This is my big.
This is my tiny. Pop one. Look, guys, hear the sound. Pop one. You can't even hear it. It's so tiny. Look. Okay, guys, moving on. Okay, eyes closed.
What? Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Mom.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Alright, moving on. Alright, Maddie, your turn to mix it. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
I guess you.
What you going with? What you going with?
This one.
Hope I don't be tiny again, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This one is right.
Big.
Tiny. Hey, here go your big.
Yay.
Here go
We got
my
Mickey Mouse.
tiny. I got a tiny snapper.
I got Mickey Mouse.
That really works.
Let's hear the good side, guys.
Alright. Trying to show off. Trying to show off because I have a big copy and I got a small one. Alright, next. Get over there.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Which one are you choosing?
This one.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I got
Got the giant,
I got
finally! Giant, I wasn't calling you. I got the giant, guys. I got the giant.
His name is Giant. I got small.
This is my giant. This is your small.
Yay.
I got giant butterfly.
I love unicorns.
It's on bad side.
Good side.
This kind of looks like the earth almost. If that was green. Okay. I got giant for the first time.
I got small for the first time.
Side
Yay.
by side.
What?
Side by side.
Yay.
Okay. Ready? Alright. Eyes closed. Your turn to mix it. Mix it!
Okay. Yeah.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Haha. I'm gonna stay with this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You got to be kidding me!
I
got giant! Here go your big.
Yay!
Like tiny.
Good. It's an Among Us puppet. Because of course this is in the inside. Have a couple holes.
Little homeless, helpless octopus. You can barely hear the pop because yours is so loud. Okay, guys, moving on. Okay, guys, moving on. Okay, guys, moving on.
Dad! Okay.
Eyes closed. Okay, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Gotcha.
Choose your
This one.
Ready? 1, 2,
3.
3.
I got big.
I got tiny. This is your big.
Whoa!
This is my tiny.
This is huge. Guys, look how big this is. This is probably a trillion.
Look how small this is. Look how tiny this is. It looks like bubble bubble.
Guys, here's the good side.
It's the size of my eye.
Let's hear the good side.
You guys hear that? You hear that? Because it's so small. You can't hear it. Alright, you drink the whole bowl. With this jumbo giant puppet. Okay, get the bowl. Last round, you guys. Close your eyes. Okay, ready? My eyes are closed. Mix them up. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Alright, what?
Which one? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I my god!
Tiny.
You only got big one time.
This is your big.
Guys, look.
This is my tiny. If you guys can't see it, it's a donut portrait.
Why is it so small?
I have a tiny mochi.
Sorry.
Tiny mochi. Well guys, that is the end of this video. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.